Hey guys, good morning. It is another day here in Singapore and welcome back to another video. It's actually my day 3 na today and I am flying solo for today kasi it's a Monday and you know, as I've mentioned sa previous vlog ko before is that ate is here for a business trip. May work na siya ngayon. It's gonna be a very touristy day for me. I will be going to, you know, Gardens by the Bay and I will also be going to some photo spots today. I know that this day is grabe, I think nakakapagod siya. Ilalaban natin to dahil ginusto ko to itinerary ko for today. I'm actually going sa Fort Canning Tree Tunnel. Hopefully, hindi ganoon kadami yung tao because it's a weekday. Pero yun, alam ko kasi mahaba yung pila. So, I'm not even sure kung mag-picture ako dun sa parang famous spot doon. So, from our hotel, from Mercure, it's a 15-minute walk. It's actually gloomy. May rain forecast for today. So, hopefully, once na umulan, ako ay nasa loob ng mall or something. So, ayun na nga. Nabutan na ako ng ulan. But it's all good. May payong naman ako. Di naman siya ganon kalakas. Itong National Museum pala ng Singapore, ginagawa yung facade niya. Sayang. Ang ganda pa naman sana mag-picture dyan. Pumila dun sa parang pinaka-picture spot dito. Kasi dito na lang ako nag-picture. Since mag-isa ako, medyo mahirap. Kailangan ko pa i-set up yung tripod ko dun. Tapos ang hababa ng pila. Tapos mag-aantay yung mga tao sa akin. So, parang masyadong hassle. So, I found this actually a better photo spot. I like this more. Ayan. But then ayun, makita ko sa inyo yung pila nung pinaka-photo spot for this one. Ayan, yung stairs na yan. Ito yung line ha. This is at 10 AM. Though kaninang 9, mahaba-haba na rin naman siya. Pero mas haba pa ito mamaya. Grabe, sobrang init. Hindi ko na kaya, Lord. Punta naman ako sa Old Hill Street. Picture-picture lang din doon. I am going to take the train. So, nandito ako sa Dhoby Ghat na train station. Yung sasakyan natin ay Harbour East Line. So, good thing dito. Malamig sa train stations. From Clarke Quay, you are going to exit at exit E. And then, it will be a 5-minute walk from here going to the Old Hill Street. Hill Street. Bale, maghahanap na lang ako ng picture spot here. Ito pala yung parang sikat din tong area na to, yung Clarke Quay. Alam ko may mga kainan dyan. Originally, napupuntahan ko na cafe. Hindi pala siya open. For some reason, gumagawa ko ng itinerary. I thought it was open every Monday. Nakakainis. Gusto ko pa naman siya matry. Pero, naghanap na lang ako ng malapit dito sa Old Hill Street. And apparently, there is a Michelin Guide restaurant almost right across it. So, ito ang Songfa. So, ayan. Napansin ko din kasi na pinipilahan siya. So, na-curious ako. So, lumapit ako. So, kahit nagugutom na ako at may pila, dito na lang ako kasi Michelin siya. Nagbigay lang sila ng parang QR code that you can scan and you can order from there. Medyo mabilis naman yung pila. Though hindi siya aircon, sobrang pawis na ako. Pero, okay lang. If it means that I will eat some good food, then let's go ahead. Ito guys yung menu nila. So, somehow affordable. I mean, for a Michelin Guide restaurant. So, yan. $6, $8. siyang slow cook na pork. Pork ribs actually. Tamang-tamang saltiness lang yung soup niya and yung meat. I wouldn't say na tender siya. Okay naman siya. Hindi siya super thick. Mabilis yung service and unlimited yung soup so they will refill the soup for you naman. Kapag nakikita na nung nababawasan na. For the payment, kapag na-serve na lahat ng food sa'yo, mag-abide ka na. So yun, nag-abide na rin ako. Kaya ako nang pahirapan yung sarili ko. Kakamayin ko na siya. Ang next sa agenda ko ay Gardens by the Bay, specifically Flower Dome and Cloud Forest. Medyo nagugulan ako minsan kay Google Maps kasi hindi niya ako pinag-transfer ng line sa train. So, what I did is to use the city mapper. Dito, pinakita niya sa akin kasi nandito ako sa Clark. I'm supposed to be on the blue line, downtown na line. Pero hindi niya ako tinuturo, pinaglalakad niya ako ng 8 minutes sa labas. Pero pwede ka namang sumakay niya dito sa purple na line. Tapos magta-transfer ka going to the blue line, which is sa Chinatown ako lilipat. So yun yung gagawin ko ngayon. Ito yung city mapper na. So may kita mo din dyan yung fare, how much siya. Ayan, $1 lang. Yung going to Bayfront. So dyan ako bababa. Tapos I'll just walk na from there. So I'm already here sa Bayfront Station. For me to get to Gardens by the Bay, I will be walking lang. Meron din namang helpful signs around, like this one. Ayan o. It's also actually my second time na going to Flower Garden, yung Cloud Forest. Pero nga, that time, hindi pa ako ma-picture or ma-video or anything. Ayun, kaya din, nilagay ko siya sa itinerary ko kahit na nakapunta na ako doon. It's a 12-minute walk from the Bayfront Station. Going to the Flower Dome, hindi ko kaya, bes. Hindi ko kaya talaga. So, dito, yung shuttle service. So, bibili na lang ako ng ticket para makapag-shuttle ako. It's just going to be $3. So, yun, pupush ko na yun. And, andito sa tabi ko lang, ito na yung ticketing center nila. But, I actually purchased my tickets via Klook.
Hello.
Hi, I purchased my ticket via Klook.
This is your ticket, can go in already.
Okay, thank you. Confirmed, you don't have to go to the ticketing center na. You can already scan the QR code dun sa Klook. Na ako sa Flower Dome. Now, I will be going to Cloud Forest. Siguro mga good like 1 hour lang ako sa Flower Dome. Kung mahilig ka sa flowers talaga, may enjoy mo yun. Pero good thing about it is also malamig din. So, presko kahit magtagal ka, kahit mag-effort ka sa mga pictures mo doon. Ayos na ayos lang. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko naman ay Cloud Forest, which is just this one. Ako nagpicture doon sa falls Kasi yung hassle, yung mag-isa lang ako, as an introvert, hindi ako magpa-picture sa ibang tao, and as a maarte din sa pictures. Climb up dun sa mga walkway sa taas. And that's actually the main attraction dito, no? May elevators naman going up to the 6th floor. And then from the 6th floor, there's a lift din naman. But you have to climb one floor higher pa ulit. Agenda is actually to chill in a coffee shop, and what I plan to do to go there is to ride this bike. You can download any wheel app siya. Parang, you know, if you've been to BGC and also Makati, meron dun yung mga mover. You can also rent. Top up lang kayo ng load sa app. This one, it's actually similar. So this one is any wheel. You can top up then, loloadan mo, and then you can ride around Singapore. Sa totoo lang, napakainit, but I'd rather ride the bike than walk under this heat. Ayon sa Google, yung Miracle Coffee na pupuntahan ko ay 2 minutes away lang from here if you are riding a bike. Ito siya, yan. If you can see any wheel. Let's try. Scan the ride. Yan, $3 for 30 minutes. Hala, and lapit ko lang. Sige. Okay, continue.
Check for any damages before riding. Please lock the bike manually when you have arrived at your parking zone destination.
Nandito kasi yung Miracle Coffee. What I did was, I just left the bike there sa parking spot. And then I'll come back for it in a bit. So hindi ko pa siya check out or in-end yung trip. So ongoing pa rin, nagbabayad pa rin ako for it. It reminds me of the sea salt latte ng Because Coffee, and that's actually one of my favorite coffees. So hindi super dami yung seating capacity nila dito, but now actually yung plan ko is upo lang ako dito saglit kasi hindi ko ma-end yung trip. Kailangan kasi doon sa parang designated parking area nung any wheel. Tatambay lang ako dito siguro 5 minutes ganyan, para lang makapag-rest ng konti. And then I'll go back to the bike and ride it going to the Marina Barge. So yun yung parang picnic spot ngayon. And then later, mga around 6 o'clock or even before 6 if kaya, I'll be going to Orchard Road again. I have a dinner reservation. Punta din pala ako ng Lululemon kasi nga si Mama hindi satisfied sa nakita namin Lululemon na bag kagabi. Pupunta ako sa isang Lululemon branch pa. No, just me. I'll be going then after 5 minutes anyway. Kasi nga limited yung seating. And mag-isa lang ako. Medyo malaki sa table. Ito lang yung available na chair. Na table and chair. Thank you. No worries. Hindi kaya. Bye. Gilamos na naman ako sa pawis ko. Na I have just parked my Any-Wheel bike. So, ang process pala dito kapag i-end mo yung trip, medyo nahirapan ako i-decipher kasi hindi halata. Pero you have to, yung may, tataas kasi to itong bakal na to. Well, sa iba kasi, kulay ang ganyan. So, pag nag-start ka kasi ng trip, tataas to. So, kapag ipapark mo na siya, baba mo lang. Ganon. Then, you will scan the QR code na nasa designated parking area para successfully ma-end yung trip. And then, you will be charged na doon sa Any-Wheel account mo kung gaano katagal yung binyahe mo or kung gaano katagal mo nagamit yung bike. So, ako, ang na-charge sa akin ay $9 kasi nga, 'di ba? Nag-coffee shop ako and all. Ito pala, yung parang yung area, akitan mo to, hindi pwede yung bike dito. So, kaya iniwan ko na din. Tapos mamaya, pagbalik ko, mag-rent na lang ulit ako. Pero ito yung parang park na overlooking mo yung Marina Bay Sands. Itong area na to, ang daming nagbabike, ang daming nag-rollerblades, ganyan. And nagjo-jog din. So, kung trip mo, di ba? So yun guys, as you can see, ano talaga siya, park. And then, here is the view of Marina Bay Sands. Ang galing-galing ng Singapore na na-achieve nila tong mga ganitong klaseng bagay. Samantalang sa atin yung mga parks natin. Tingnan, sobrang lawak ng place na to. And some people are setting up their mats so they can hang out with their friends, picnic and all. Dito, sobrang tahimik, as in. You can't even hear any of the cars kasi sobrang layo talaga from here. So, nakaka-relax siya. I do enjoy just going around by myself. As an introvert, it feels freeing to be able to go around in another country. Diba? Na hindi mo naman kabisado, pero napupuntahan mo yung mga kailangan mong puntahan. But yeah, thanks to the internet, I guess. So, I'll be going back to Orchard Road. But I think magpapalit muna ako ng damit kasi hindi na nakaka-fresh yung feeling sa damit na to. As you can see, nagpalit na ako ng damit. So, papunta na ako sa Chatterbox dito sa Bayfront Station, Exit E. And ito na yung Sands Expo and Convention Center. It will be like a 30 minutes na biyahe. Medyo matagal. And my reservation is actually at 7 p.m. And it's already 6:21. Na-confused kasi ako kanina dun. Binala ko, magbabike ako papunta ng station. Tapos parang sarado yung road na tinuturo sa akin ni Google. So hindi ko alam saan ako magbabike. Eh baka mamaya, kapag pinush ko, mali yung daanan ko. Tapos hulihin pa ako. Tapos makukulong ako. Dami na sinabi. So kaya nandito ako 106 yung sasakyan ko na bus. Nandito ako ngayon sa Somerset Road. Apparently, sa hotel pala yung Chatterbox. Nakakaloka. Nakasando ako, te. Oh my God. Pero yun, I'm going to walk there. Fun fact, actually. Kaya ako magcha-Chatterbox kasi ito yung kinainan ng Bini dito nung recently nung nag-show sila. Guys, nakakaloka. Nasa loob siya ng Hilton. Hindi ko man lang ni-research. No? Tapos sabi ko, sige, Orchard Road yun. Sa Hilton pala siya. Ayan mo. Kasama ko si ate, biglaan siya. On the way na siya dito. Nasa pricey side siya, of course, kasi nga nasa hotel. Nandito na si ate! Hello! Ang in-order lang namin is yung individual set na chicken Hainanese rice, tsaka juice. Tapos baka mamaya umorder na lang din ako ng dessert. Kasi parang nakikita ko sa Google, maano yung parang pandan and gelato nila. Pinakamahal na Hainanese chicken na kinain ko. Ano naman siya? Madaming serving. Tapos may soup and all. Lahat ng typical na kasama sa Hainanese chicken rice na sauce. Pero mukhang ito talaga yung bestseller nila kasi parang every table merong... Ha? Ay, nag-vlog ako.
Ay, sorry.
Pero yun, para lahat ng table may Hainanese. Alrighty, so as you can see, bumili lang ako sa Lululemon and sa Beyond the Vines kasi si ate may pinabili din sa Beyond the Vines. Ayun nga pala, si ate umuwi na sa hotel namin. Yung hinahanap ni mama na bag na gusto niya from Lululemon, wala talaga. So I just bought her the black one. Actually, that's the end of my day today. Na-fulfill ko naman yung itinerary ko. Medyo nakakapagod lang siya. But the thing is, hindi siya super pagod like our first day because nagbike ko sa mga spots na dapat lalakaran ko lang. And ayun, actually, I'm going to end the vlog here na, no? Kasi I'm just going home. I'll just walk around here, Orchard Road. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see the next videos for this Singapore travel series. Thank you again for staying till the end of the video. I really appreciate it. And yeah, see you again in my next vlog. Bye!